What's up guys, in this video you're going to watch Hearmo HearFit vs Smartwatch unboxing and review. This is Unknown from GreedyTech, keep watching. Hearmo, formerly known as Hearmo, announced 3 smartwatches, that is HearFit vs HearFit REX or HearFit Rex, and the third one HearFit RS. Now we have the HearFit vs smartwatch and it is available at $2,499 on Amazon. You can buy on Amazon or in offline channels. And it comes in gunmetal color. Now the VS and RS have some differences. The HearFit RS has little bit brighter and bigger display, just a little bit, and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass. It also has always on display and it comes with wireless charging. Now the HearFit VS, the one we have, doesn't have Corning Gorilla Glass protection and it comes with magnetic charging. So you can pick the one based on your preferences and also the price difference as you can see on screen. We also have HearFit Rex, which is something you can get at a much lower price, and it also has slightly different features. I think it's not out yet, but keep an eye out for it if that's what you want. But putting all of this aside, let's get back to HearFit VS and start with unboxing. Now here's the box. It has branding and preview of the watch. It says 1.9-inch bezel-less display with Bluetooth calling. On the back there are highlights, specs and more information. Now let's unbox. Inside there is another box. It has branding. Let's open that. First there's a small cardboard sleeve. Inside there is operating guide. Next there is smartwatch dial, followed by 2 separate straps. And finally a charging cable with a dock. First let's remove the screen protector film from the watch and see how it looks. Now this is how it looks on the front and this is how it looks on the back. Let's have a closer look. On the front it has a big screen. It looks like it is edge to edge and looks pretty cool. On the back there is branding, some information, sensors, charging pins. On the right, there is a crown or the button and a mic. On the left, there is a speaker grill. Now these are the straps and they look nice. Both straps are pretty identical except the buckle part, where both offer different look. And one strap has a bit more matte finish than the other, but both feel really nice. Now here are the full specifications. It comes with 1.9-inch bezel-less display with 201 ppi. The resolution is 240 by 285 and it has 600 nits of brightness. Now it is made of stainless steel metal and it comes with magnetic charging. As for weight, the dial alone is 31 grams and as for straps, one strap weighs 13 grams and another strap weighs 17 grams. So overall, no matter which strap you use, it is going to be light on your wrist. You can search for Fit Cloud Pro app on the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. And once it's downloaded, just register an account or click on Use Without Account option and add all the details it asks. Once you're set, you can open Scanner option in the app and then open QR on your watch and scan the watch to bind them. It will prompt on the watch for binding request, just accept it. It will also ask to pair with VS Audio. This is to access audio on watch for calls and more. Tap on pair and that's it. Now let's look at the watch interface. First there's watch face, it looks good. In the background of the watch, it also looks like a branding of Hearmo. Maybe it is. I mean, that's how it looks like to me. Anyway, you can swipe left for activity tracking, heart rate, sleep, and you can add more tiles here. From the watch face or the home screen, you can swipe right to access quick shortcuts. Swipe up for messages. And swipe down for control panel. You can see battery, time and date, and there is brightness control, music control, about section, screen lock, phone, voice assistant, D&D, settings. In settings you have style switch, you can change icon layout, screen display, you have dial switch, change watch faces here, you have brightness control, screen time, raise to wake, next there is battery section, next there is vibration intensity, you can put it on off, soft or strong, and you have few more options like language, QR, set time, password, and you have system settings. Now if you press the crown, you can access the menu. Now this is the menu and you can scroll with the crown. First we have the dial, that is the dialer, and contact person, call records, voice assistant. You have data, workout in which there are many workout options. You have heart rate, ECG, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, weather, female, that is female health, music, breath training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, game, password, correction mode, and bunch of other things. So that's what you have in the menu. And it's pretty cool that you can just scroll with the crown. I don't know if you can tell, I really like this function. Now let's look at the app interface. Now this is how the app interface looks like. There are 3 sections: Home, Device and Me. In the Home section, first there is Sports button. It shows the day's sports data. Next there is Steps. There is also an option called Health Connect. Click on it and it takes to Play Store. And it shows Health Connect app. Now in the app, it is followed by sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, ECG, one option that says health measurement. Next there is Device section. There's a race to wake option. You can also set start and end times for this feature. Next there are more options like elevated heart rate measurement, automatic health monitor, find watch, wrist preference, you can select left or right hand. Next there is hour style, frequent contacts, shake to photograph, restore factory settings, etc. In the Me section there is login option, and here you can also edit your profile. There is women's health, exercise goal, units, Google Fit, Health Connect, FAQ, suggestions. In settings there is account manage, run in background, etc. Now let's look at the review. First let's start with design and build. It has a premium looking build. It looks really nice. Especially with the metal build, it looks very elegant. The weight distribution is done very well and it feels really good when you hold it or when you wear it on your wrist. The design is also minimal and the straps are plain black. One has more matte texture compared to the other. Coming to the display, it has very thin bezels and not many smartwatches come with such thin bezels, at least in the low to mid-range price segment. And even on the hand, it feels pretty light. Now one of the good things they did is that you can scroll through the menu with the crown. That's pretty cool. On top of that, if you are on the main watch face and you scroll with the crown, you can scroll through the watch faces. That's a pretty cool feature. I haven't seen that in many smartwatches. Now in this smartwatch, we also have Bluetooth calling. And I have tried calling on this smartwatch and it is pretty nice. Here's a preview.
Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is how my voice sounds from the watch. So this is an active call. I'll be switching to my phone in a minute where you'll hear how it sounds from the mic of this watch. Yes, right now I'm talking directly to the smartwatch itself, or this is how my voice sounds from the smartwatch mic.
So guys, to conclude, overall, this is a pretty good smartwatch at this price segment. It has good display with thin bezels, pretty nice looking build and design, very minimal looking, and it has gunmetal color with metallic build, and you also have Bluetooth calling. Now if these are the things you are looking for, you can definitely buy this because not only it looks good, it is also pretty functional, as you saw with the crown function. Now that's not the main selling point, but it definitely adds to it. Apart from that, if you want more features like wireless charging, always on display, you can go with their other option, that is HearFit RS. And if you want more affordable smartwatch, you can go with the HearFit Rex, which I guess it's not out yet, but again, if there is, I'll put the link in the description, you can check it out. So what do you think about this smartwatch? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below, and see you next time.